PCSK9 target introduction. Proprotein convertase subtilisin/cousin type 9, PCSK9, is a protein that plays a crucial role in cholesterol metabolism, particularly in regulating the levels of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. PCSK9 is a member of the proprotein convertase family, which is involved in the post-translational processing of proteins. Structure and expression of PCSK9. PCSK9 is synthesized as a precursor protein that undergoes autocatalytic cleavage in the endoplasmic reticulum to produce a mature, active protein. Structure of PCSK9. Signal peptide directs the nascent protein into the secretory pathway. Prodomain, involved in the autocatalytic cleavage and proper folding of the protein. Catalytic domain, the active site of the enzyme. C-terminal domain, involved in the stability and function of PCSK9, particularly in its interaction with LDLR. Function of PCSK9. Regulation of LDL receptors, LDLR. LDLR function. LDL receptors on the surface of hepatocytes, liver cells, are responsible for binding and internalizing LDL particles, which contain cholesterol, from the bloodstream. PCSK9 LDLR interaction. PCSK9 binds to LDL receptors on the surface of hepatocytes, leading to the internalization and degradation of the receptors within lysosomes. Impact on cholesterol levels. Elevated PCSK9 levels. Increased levels of PCSK9 lead to a reduction in LDL receptors, causing elevated LDL-C levels, which is a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Lower PCSK9 activity. Conversely, reduced PCSK9 activity leads to increased LDL receptor numbers, enhanced clearance of LDL-C from the bloodstream, and lower cholesterol levels. Role in cardiovascular health. Genetic variants, mutations in the PCSK9 gene can lead to either gain of function or loss of function effects. Gain of function mutations result in higher levels of LDL-C and an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Loss of function mutations is the opposite. Therapeutic target. Due to its significant role in cholesterol metabolism, PCSK9 has become a major therapeutic target for lowering LDL-C levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular events. Clinical significance of PCSK9. Monoclonal antibodies, PCSK9 inhibitors, such as alirocumab and evolocumab, are monoclonal antibodies that bind to PCSK9 and prevent it from interacting with LDL receptors. Clinical use. PCSK9 inhibitors are used in patients with hypercholesterolemia who do not achieve sufficient LDL-C reduction with statins alone or who are statin intolerant. Alpha Lifetech can provide alirocumab biosimilar, ebronucimab biosimilar, evolocumab biosimilar, frovosomab biosimilar, lodosizumab biosimilar, onjurisumab biosimilar, and other biosimilar antibody. www.alpha-lifetech.com. info@alphalifitech.com